Hello everyone. So today we will see how to create web automation. So let's go to PowerAutomate desktop. So PowerAutomate desktop, click on plus new flow. It will open this window. Okay. So once it opens this blank, we all know this is our action. Here we can see a lot of actions are there, and then on top our menu bars are also there, right? On top there are different menu bars are there, file, edit, debug, and all these things are there. And if you see here, this is the workspace or canvas, and these are variables and flow variables, input output variables and flow variables. So let's go to the web recorder. If I will go to the web recorder, if you see on top what it is displaying, for PowerAutomate desktop to you work with these browsers to have plugin installed. Yes, we have already installed the plugin, right? If you remember earlier, I told when the recorder will start, during that time the color will change to blue. If you see here now, it changed to blue. Okay, if it's what it is mentioned, Microsoft Power Automate has access to this site, means now it's ready to capture the information what I need. Okay, so let's go. I'm selecting Microsoft Edge, then advanced. If you go to advanced, then web browser instance name is browser. It's okay. Pick a tab. It's asking which tab you want to pick. Let's say I want to go with this Power Automate Power Platform Community tab, first one. It's open, right? So I want to go with that. Then next. Okay, so if you see, it already captured launch browser this because it is already open for me. So perfect. Then next, if I will start recording, I'll just click on start recording. I have started my recording. So to get to the page, if you see, there are no action it is displaying, right? It's not showing any capture information. So to provide the event, you can click anywhere. Now you can see it's getting the event, right? It's getting the event, all the events. You can see different tags also it is showing, nav tag, then div, image, then all the tags, buttons. If you see here, h1, and yeah, if you see para, all the tags it is displaying, div tag is there. So similarly, if you give one event, then it will start capturing. So let's go and capture the information what we want. Let's say first I want to capture this welcome to the Power Platform community. So to capture this, what we will do, you just over here, you can see it is highlighted by red line. You right click, then it is asking different options. Select parent UI element, screenshot this web page UI element, wait until web page, extract element value. So what we will do now, I want to extract the text, right? So let me click this. You can see here it is added, and if you have by mistake, if you have added anything, you have the option click on delete. Okay, so I added this. Perfect. Then let me click on finish. Captured, right? We can see the informations are already captured here. So then let's say this is, if you see here what it is showing, it is start of the auto generator. You can rename everywhere. You can double click or you can right click here, edit. You have two options. You double click here, start recording. Okay, save it. It started recording. So it's for our information. And if you want to add any comments, there is an option during recording also. You can add the comment, and next time I will show you. Okay, so then launch new browser, it is asking navigate to this website. Okay, so to navigate this, it is hard coded this. So let's say if you want to pass it by a variable, so here we'll see user variables. If you go to variables, you can see here set variable. You can add here, drag and drop, set variables. I am giving URL. Okay, website URL. So Now I'll give URL. I think space is not allowed because, so that's why either you can put underscore or something. I'm giving simply URL. To what should be the variable? I don't have any text now, right? Let me copy it here. This is the URL, right? Let me save it. Okay, so you can see set variable this. Then you can go here. Initial URL, it is showing this. Instead of that, you can pass your URL. Okay, then Windows state normal. If you want, you can make it maximized. I want to make it maximized actually. Advanced, if you want to clear cache, you can check it. If not required, no need. If a pop-up dialog occurs, do nothing. Sometimes actually there are different pop-ups come, right? If you, because of that, automation fails. So you can close it, or you can give the instruction what you want to do those pop-up dialogs. Anyways, we will not get, so that's why I'm not giving anything. Do nothing. Variables it produced, browser one variable. Okay, so then exception anyways we can add here. Then let me save it. So click on web page. Okay, then get details of the element on web page. It is getting details of the web page here in inner text. Then this one I'm putting like stop recording. Okay, let's run. Okay, it executed till the end, but we don't know what happened, right? So we can do one thing. We will go to display. There is a display message box, right? Display message here. So this is captured information. Message to display. What it will display? If you remember, we have inner text. Welcome to this. Here you can see, right? And this is URL, this is browser variable. So I am going to take this inner text variable. Message box icon, I want information and default. Okay, keep message on top, that's fine. Button press event is okay. Save it. Okay, so let's go, and yeah, I want to move it out so that it will be a proper organized way. Recording start, stop, then display message. And variable also I want to move out of recording, because anyways variable we are putting outside. Okay, let's run it. Perfect, we got our message, right? Welcome to the Power Platform community. Okay, perfect. So next we will see how to add multiple to the list also. We'll see the list function as well in this example. Okay, so for that, let me start again recording, web recorder. I'm going by same. Next, if you see here, I told, right, you can add the comments. Then comment, you can add here capture from here. I want to capture from here, so I have added my comment. Okay, then let's start recording. So again I will do same thing. I just clicked outside to get the event. Then I want to capture this information. Actually again same, right click, extract the value, then text. This text I want to capture. Perfect, I have captured this text. And this click event I clicked, right? I don't want that, so I can remove from here, not a problem. Okay, so you can see how I have captured this one. Then finish it up. It's finished now. Okay, you can see again it generated list of information. So again, I just want to show how you can do multiple round of iterations also. We are covering 3-4 scenarios here. Look, okay, so in this scenario I don't need this message. Actually I can go and delete. So here it is. Delete this, I don't need this. Okay, then go to URL also, I don't need this one. Why I don't need this one? Because I want to make a single flow. Okay, capture from here. If you saw, I have added comment there, it is coming here. Why I added? Because below this I want to capture. Now I don't want this. Get details of the element on web page, so I am adding this on top. Okay, you can see inner text 2, inner text 2 we have. You can edit this variable also, like 2, you can edit like second hit and just renaming just to show. Okay, so then this one also I don't need. If you remember earlier, we have this variable, right? Display message text. This is, so I will edit it. Inner text plus second hit I want to add, save. Then so let's just check whether the flow is correct. Its variable is here, it is taking the URL from here, then I'm opening the link, then getting the elements, inner text 1 2, then display message. Let's go and run it. Okay, you can see here, welcome to this community plus this, it is showing, right? Just I added the plus to identify where is the difference. This is the one way you can add multiple. We will see now. I want to go for another round actually. Let's go record it, web record, advanced anyways we knows, I don't want to go for this again. Next, comment I have already shown how to add, I don't need to add a comment now. Start recording, click anywhere. I want to capture this text, right click, extract element, join local, this, it's extracted. I want to capture this text also. You can capture multiple times also. See, it added into that. Okay, one variable, to one variable it added everything. Okay, so I think I am done. Let me finish. Again, I think you knows what to do. I will clear it up first. I don't need this. And if you see all the multiple inner text, it added as output data, right? So we have this, then this one also I don't need. Okay, perfect. I want to move this to on top. Start recording and stop recording. So we have now three types of items, three items: inner text 1, inner text, then inner text second hit, then output data also we have. Okay, so I want to take it into the list. So you can go to list here, create new list. Okay, because after recording I want to add variable produced list. If you want, you can rename it also. I want to make it my list. Okay, create a list, new list, and store it to my list. If you want, you can check, double click, empty list it created. Perfect. So now add item to list. You can add this, add item to list. After this add item to list, what item you want to add? I want to add inner text, then I want to add inner text second hit, then output data. Into list, what is our list name? My list, right? Save. So I have added all these three into this list. So if you notice display message earlier, it was showing this plus this, like this, right? Then I want to update this one also. Instead of all these things, I want to display my list. So this is our process flow. Let me save it. Then let's run it. You can see it is displaying all the information. We took our list variable and it is displaying everything. So we saw how to set variable, how to do web automation, how to create different lists, and how to display the message of list. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.